The Leica Q4 is emerging as one of the most anticipated cameras in Leica's compact full-frame lineup, poised to succeed the widely acclaimed Q3. While Leica has yet to release official details, industry rumors and insider reports suggest that the Q4 could bring meaningful upgrades in performance, usability, and design. For photographers, the Q4 represents more than just a next-generation model. It promises to combine Leica's signature craftsmanship with modern technological advancements. In this in-depth analysis, we'll examine the expected features, potential improvements, and the place of the Q4 within Leica's evolving lineup, while considering its relevance in today's competitive mirrorless market. At the center of attention is the sensor. Reports indicate that Leica may implement a stacked CMOS sensor in the Q4, which would mark a substantial performance boost compared to the Q3. A stacked sensor allows for faster data readout, improved burst rates, and reduced rolling shutter, while supporting higher resolution output. Rumors point toward a possible 64-megapixel sensor, delivering exceptional image detail and flexibility for cropping, printing, or post-processing. Beyond resolution, a stacked sensor would improve responsiveness, offering a smoother shooting experience for capturing fleeting moments. Leica's commitment to natural color rendition and tonal consistency is expected to remain, ensuring that images retain the rich, classic look the Q series is known for, while benefiting from modern advancements. Autofocus is another area where the Q4 is expected to see substantial refinement. While previous Q series models offered competent focus performance, the Q4 may feature enhanced subject recognition, improved eye and animal detection, and predictive tracking for moving subjects. These upgrades could make a meaningful difference for street photographers, documentary shooters, and wildlife enthusiasts, offering greater reliability in dynamic shooting environments. Leica seems to be striking a balance between speed and precision, ensuring the autofocus system remains accurate without compromising the user experience. While the Q4 may not aim to compete with extreme speed sports cameras, these improvements would elevate its performance to meet the expectations of modern hybrid shooters. Video capabilities in the Q4 are also expected to expand. The Q3 offered solid 4K recording, but the Q4 may introduce 4K at higher frame rates, potentially up to 120 frames per second, and even 8K at 30 frames per second. Such options would provide filmmakers with creative flexibility for slow-motion sequences, high-resolution footage, and cropping options during post-production. Improvements in thermal management are anticipated as well, allowing extended recording sessions without overheating. Leica's focus on clean, smooth video quality aligns with the Q series' reputation for producing images that are visually compelling straight from the camera, making the Q4 an attractive choice for hybrid shooters seeking both still and motion capabilities. Display and viewfinder upgrades are also anticipated. The Q4 is expected to maintain the series' hybrid viewfinder, capable of switching between an optical rangefinder and a high-resolution electronic viewfinder. Sources suggest that the EVF may reach 9.44 million dots, offering a highly detailed and immersive composition experience. The rear touchscreen is expected to be fully articulating, providing flexibility for shooting from unconventional angles, tight spaces, or low perspectives. Enhanced responsiveness and menu navigation improvements are also likely, contributing to a more fluid and intuitive workflow, especially for photographers and content creators who rely on fast, on-the-go adjustments. The Leica Q4 may also feature improved in-body image stabilization, potentially offering up to 8 stops of compensation. This would benefit handheld shooting in low-light conditions and allow slower shutter speeds without sacrificing sharpness. Ergonomic refinements are expected as well, including a slightly recontoured grip, repositioned controls, and potentially a lighter overall body. Despite these updates, Leica is likely to retain its magnesium alloy, weather-sealed construction, ensuring durability across challenging shooting conditions. These design considerations reflect Leica's focus on balancing form, function, and tactile satisfaction, a hallmark of the Q series. Lens performance is another area where the Q4 could build on the Q3's success. The 28mm Summilux f/1.7 lens is expected to remain, possibly with refinements to optical performance, coatings, and flare reduction. Combined with the high-resolution sensor, this lens could deliver sharp, detailed images with the natural color and tonal balance Leica is known for. The result would be a camera capable of producing high-quality results directly out of the camera, minimizing the need for post-processing and maintaining the Q series reputation for professional-grade image quality. Connectivity enhancements may also be part of the Q4's package. faster wireless transfer, improved app integration, and smoother compatibility with the Leica Photos ecosystem could streamline the workflow for photographers who need to move images quickly to editing platforms or social media. Additionally, the touchscreen interface is expected to become more intuitive and customizable, allowing photographers to assign frequently used functions to specific controls, further enhancing usability and efficiency. These improvements would make the Q4 not just a capable imaging device, but also a more practical tool for modern photographers who value speed and flexibility in their workflow. The Leica Q4's potential release timeline points toward early 2026, possibly ahead of the traditional 4-year Q series cycle. Pricing is expected to be higher than the Q3's launch price of $5,995, positioning the Q4 as a premium investment. While this may seem steep, the combination of advanced sensor technology, improved autofocus, expanded video capabilities, ergonomic refinements, and Leica's renowned build quality could justify the cost for photographers seeking a high-performance, compact full-frame camera. For users who value the Q series' unique philosophy, balancing image quality, tactile satisfaction, and thoughtful design, the Q4 could represent a worthwhile addition to their toolkit. Beyond technical specifications, the Leica Q4 embodies the brand's design philosophy. The Q series has always prioritized thoughtful, intentional operation over automation-heavy shooting, encouraging photographers to engage directly with the craft. Physical dials for shutter speed, ISO, and exposure compensation reinforce this tactile approach, creating a satisfying, deliberate shooting experience. For photographers who value control, immersion, and a hands-on connection with their tools, these design choices are central to the Q4's appeal. Even as the camera integrates modern technological advancements, Leica seems determined to preserve the tactile and emotional qualities that distinguish the Q series from other mirrorless offerings. The Q4 also benefits from one of the most mature APS-C lens ecosystems available, thanks to Leica's X-mount system. Compact primes, professional zooms, and specialty optics provide photographers with versatility across genres, from street and documentary work to portraiture and travel. This lens ecosystem ensures that users can adapt the camera to their specific creative needs without compromise, while also providing long-term value as the system continues to evolve. For those invested in Leica's ecosystem, the Q4 promises continuity and flexibility alongside innovation. In conclusion, the Leica Q4 is shaping up to be a compelling evolution of the Q series, integrating modern sensor technology, improved autofocus, expanded video capabilities, ergonomic refinements, and Leica's iconic design. Its potential 64-megapixel stacked sensor, articulating touchscreen, advanced stabilization, and refined lens performance could make it one of the most versatile compact full-frame cameras on the market. By blending technical innovation with tactile, thoughtful design, the Q4 stays true to the Q series philosophy while meeting the expectations of contemporary photographers and hybrid shooters. As anticipation builds toward a possible 2026 release, the Leica Q4 is positioning itself as a camera that could once again set a benchmark in the compact full-frame segment, offering both exceptional performance and a deeply satisfying shooting experience.